Sometimes, when you change a content map, the tags assigned to questions may disappear. To address this efficiently, you can use the new SLS feature that auto-populates tags based on section tagging. Here's how you do it. First, go to Edit, then navigate to the relevant section and select Edit Section. Within this section, ensure that the content map is correctly tagged to the learning objective for that specific section. For example, in this case, this is our learning objective. You need to select it. Once you've selected the appropriate learning objective, go to the top left corner and copy all the activities. For any specific activity, click on the 3 dots and duplicate it. You'll notice that the duplicated activity now includes all the tags from the section. This ensures that the tagging matches the section tagging correctly. Next, duplicate the process for all other activities. After duplicating, delete the old activity and rename the new one to match the correct naming conventions. Repeat this process for the rest of the activities to ensure consistent tagging throughout.